Hey, I'm William, and I have an idea. I am going to make my way through the Harry Potter series. No, not watch, listen, or even read, but actually physically make. I'm going to cook, craft, and create something inspired by every single chapter of the entire series. I feel like I've been waiting to find a project like this for a long time. My Julie Powell moment where I cook my way through mastering the art of French cooking.
The challenge? 365 days. 524 recipes.
Or that absolutely legendary couple who visited every Cracker Barrel store in existence. Along the way, I'll take you on some magical trips with my family and I, but we'll also grab coffee and go to the thrift store. I can't wait to get started. And I hope you'll come with me.